If you have a Tripwire funnel and you're trying to figure out how can I get people to my actual funnel so that they can start going to my lead magnet and they can start getting this Tripwire that I have set up on the back end, today I'm gonna share with you 3 ways to promote your Tripwire funnel so that you can start generating some revenue in no time. Okay, let's go ahead and dive right in. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and digital product business owners to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise and also creating automation so that they can scale their business. Now, before we dive into today's topic, we're going to discuss how you can be able to promote your Tripwire funnel. I want you to check out the free guide that I have for you that will walk you through how you can create your digital products and start generating some revenue. Also, hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos. Okay, so if you have a Tripwire funnel, well, first off, let's talk about what is a Tripwire funnel, just in case you're interested in creating one. A Tripwire funnel is a way for you to be able to present your audience with a low-cost offer that is high in value, so that then after they opt into your lead magnet or your free source that you might be giving them, they have an opportunity to buy immediately after they have opted in. Now, this is a great way for you to put a low-tier product in front of your customers, and one thing that I have found is that when your customers are willing to buy at the low tier price and they get a test and a feel for your style, your teaching, or for your digital product or whatever it is that you are providing, then they might be more willing to buy from you in the future. They might go back to your website or go check out some of your other products, or whenever you're launching a new product, more willing to buy than the people who aren't. So this is a really great way for you to start generating revenue into your business with a low tier product, and also it's a great way for your customers to really test out your business and see if it might be a good fit for their pain points. Now, one of the ways that you can start to promote your Tripwire by utilizing social media platforms. Now, you're not going to just promote your Tripwire directly. You are going to focus on promoting your lead magnet. Now, one of the things is when I see people on social media, they'll talk about everything under the sun, but sometimes they will not hint to go check out the link in their bio or go check out the freebie that I have in store for you. So one of the things that you'll want to do if you're utilizing social media, you'll want to always reference to go and check out one of the lead magnets that I have in store for you. So for example, earlier on in this video, I talked about my digital guide that will help you to better understand how to create a digital product and how you can also start generating revenue from it. Now, that is my free product that ultimately leads people to getting that free value that they are looking for, and also they can see some of the other products that I have along my funnel. Now, if you are wanting people to go to your funnel, then you have to talk about your lead magnets. It's important for you to encourage people, whether you're on a podcast, whether you're on YouTube, or if you're on some of these other different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. It's important for you to guide your customer on their journey to getting to that freebie. So that's the first thing that is so important. Now, the second thing that you can do to promote your Tripwire is to have your freebies located on your website. You can have your freebie in the announcement bar, which will allow you to encourage people to opt in and then obviously be introduced to your Tripwire product. You can have opportunity to promote your lead magnet in your hero section of your website. Another thing is at the bottom of your page of your website. That is a place where you can also locate your freebie and share more about ways that they can continue to work with you and get on your email list. And also you can have something called a pop-up on your website. Now, this is 4 different places that you can actually place your actual freebie. Now, I want you to know that there are more places that you can place it on your website. You can have it throughout copy and all of that good stuff, but it's important to have it more than just one place. And it's also important to really encourage people who come to your website for the first time to see this freebie up front and center and not have to search to find it. So if you are looking to get more people to your actual Tripwire, you need to promote your freebie throughout your website and really encourage people to get to that next stage. Now, the third way that you can promote your Tripwire is promoting it to your existing audience through email marketing. Now, email marketing is a really great way for you to connect with your audience. And one of the ways that I have found to get people to my Tripwire, maybe they haven't seen this particular product that I have created. I invite my current audience, if they have not purchased this product before, to go and check out this freebie. Hey, I have a free guide for you. And I take them to the opt-in page, and that opt-in page allows them to kind of kickstart that Tripwire funnel. So utilizing email marketing, utilizing your website, and utilizing social media is really important, but it's important for you to announce that you have call to actions and that you want your customers to take the next step in solving their pain point and overcoming this situation that they're facing. And the only way that you could do that is when you let people know to take that next step. So whether you're on social media, whether you're utilizing your website or your email marketing to promote your Tripwire funnel, it's important for you to actually call out that you want your customers to take that next step. Okay, corporate misfits, so have fun promoting your Tripwire funnel. If you have a Tripwire and you're finding it challenging to get traffic to it, let me know in the comment section below. And also, don't forget to download the free guide that I have for you to help you to create your digital products and ultimately start generating revenue from them. You can find that below. Okay, corporate misfits, I'll see you next time. Hey there, corporate misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.